Hey guys, if you are new to this Inferium farming, and this is how to farm the airdrop, and also you can check your SosoValue season 1 airdrop allocation plus WCoin what's it called? I'm not a bot verification is currently ongoing on the TG mini app. So take note of that. So now coming back to this Inferium airdrop. If you are yet to sign up or you already signed up and you don't even know how to farm the airdrop, this is it. You have to, the moment you sign up, then you have an interface like this. Then you come to this Infinium. So when you go there, then you can complete the social tags to earn. To sign up, use your email or sign up using Google to create an account, and it's very simple. If the link is not opening, make use of VPN or use a Mrs. or Kiwi browser if you don't have a PC. Sometimes the device you use in doing these tasks, this airdrop differs, and so you might be having some few challenges because of the device you are using. So use Mrs. or Kiwi browser or use a PC to sign up, because you are going to eventually need to connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see here, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. First thing first, connect your wallet in any airdrop that you are signing up with. As far as you are seeing option to connect your wallet, then proceed to connect your wallet ASAP. Then come to this Infinium. This is what is a very simple thing. So you check in every day. You see, I've checked in for today. And at the end of the 7 consecutive days of checking in, you see what I've earned? They give you 3 times. Every day that you check in, you earn 1 token. This is not points. What you are farming here is token, not points. 1:1. It means you are farming token. So meaning I have 144 token already now. Every day checking, I get 1. But at the end of the 7 consecutive days of checking in, I get 3 instead of 1. That's basically what you do here on this Infinium. And also coming to this one-time tax, taxing for treasures. These are one-time tax. Join Telegram, follow Twitter, join Discord. I've not done this write content about Inferium. If I'm writing content, that means I will have to submit the links to write content about Inferium. It's about maybe Telegram Twitter posts or Telegram posts thereabouts. I made a Twitter post already. I should submit this. Then subscribe to Telegram. Quiz to earn. I've done the quiz. This review and rate model to earn. I've not done this way. You can see. These are one-time tax. The total supply for this coin is 250 million pieces. And they are distributing 24% to the community. So 250 million pieces is the total supply for this Inferium. 250 million pieces. Okay, retweet to get reward. Let me retweet this post so that you can get reward. So once you sign up, connect your socials, your Twitter, your Telegram, your everything before you do the tax. So that the moment you are doing the tax, they can award you the reward. All the social tax is a one-time task. The only daily tax is to check in. So you check in every day to earn. And that's basically what I have to do. So I'll come back to click on check. And you see claim. I've just claimed. And that's all. So you might have to scroll down here every time to see if they added another Twitter tax for you to do. You see, like I just did this X tax. So if you're yet to sign up on this Inferium, check the registration link in the description box of this video. As I said earlier, use Mrs. or Kiwi or use a PC to sign up. So you'll be able to connect your MetaMask wallet, any of your EVM wallets effortlessly. Connect EVM wallet effortlessly. You can see at the top of the page here, you have to connect your EVM wallet. If you use Kiwi, Mrs. or MetaMask, then you'll be able to connect your EVM wallet effortlessly. And second update, the WCoin is having I'm not a robot verification, on their mini app airdrop. Go to the mini app airdrop, click on the active tags under the N menu. Click on N on the artist, scroll down to I am not a robot and complete your I am not a robot verification. It's a facial verification on W points tags. And also for this SosoValue now, you can check your airdrop allocation. So if you connected your wallet, your EVM wallet on SosoValue before the season 1 snapshot was taken, then you should receive some allocation. I don't know how they distributed the allocation, but I just know that I'm receiving some here. So you can check on the home page now. So you can check on the home page to see what your allocation is, and the claiming will be live in 20 hours. Come to this ESP. And don't forget, the season 2 for this SosoValue is currently ongoing. The season 2 farming for this SosoValue is ongoing. The season 2 farming is ongoing. You see, claim in 19 hours 28 minutes. So after this countdown, I can come here to claim to my wallet. Maybe I'll be able to claim directly to my wallet. But I think this is a is it blockchain, or should I call it exchange coin? So I don't know if we'll be paying gas fee. I can't tell yet if this is a blockchain coin or we are going to be paying gas fee. But maybe we should await the claiming. But I think when the countdown finishes, you can just click on claim and they will send it to your wallet. I think so. So if you miss out on season 1 farming, or you did not connect your wallet during season 1, or you've not signed up for season 2 at all, check the registration link to sign up for SosoValue season 2 in the description box of this video. They've not announced listing. They've not announced listing. This is just the claiming countdown. They've not announced listing. So you can start farming season 2 now. So, and make sure you connect your wallet. If you are connecting wallet, use what's it called? Browser wallet, Mrs. Kiwi, or use a PC to connect. There is nothing serious about connecting a wallet if you are using the right device to connect your wallet. It's only when you are trying to connect using the in-app browser, or you are trying to connect using Chrome browser, that's when you start having issues. Use Mrs. Kiwi or use a PC. Then it's simple. Just click on connect wallet and it will connect. And you sign in to approve and confirm. That's all. So use the right device to connect your wallet. Then you don't have issues if you are using the right devices to connect your wallet. Use Mrs. Kiwi or use a laptop to connect. That's what I can tell you. I don't want to start explaining how to connect wallet again. Use a right device and you'll be able to connect wallet. There is no procedure to connect wallet than using the right device. Then click on connect. It will load up in your wallet and you click on connect and confirm. That's all. That's how to connect wallet basically. No any special announcements or procedure on how to connect wallet. Just go to the page and click on connect wallet. So if you already connect your wallet for season 1, then you have this. And you'll be able to claim after this countdown. Then await subsequent updates about listing, withdrawal, how to sell, and what have you. I hope we'll be able to claim directly to the wallet after this. Just stay tuned for subsequent updates. And also, guys, Gate.io reserves surpassed $10 billion. You can confirm this. The Gate.io reserve surpasses $10 billion. The key highlights: total reserve surged to $10.3 billion. Ranking 4th globally. This is me giving you the Gate.io news. They said the total reserve surged to $10.3 billion, ranking 4th globally. This is a way to know that this exchange is reliable. Trading, do whatever you want on a trade, buy and sell, trade futures, trade spots on Gate.io, because they have a reserve already. That is, your asset is in safe hands. Your asset is in safe hands on Gate.io exchange. And total reserve ratio 128.58%, then 4.68 increases from December. Surplus reserve is $2.2 billion, growing 24.8%. Zero knowledge proof technology enhances transparency and privacy protection. proof of reserve report as of January 17th. This proof of reserve that I've just mentioned of Greater Aero Exchange is as of January 17th. So you can check the link in the description box of this video to confirm yourself this proof of reserve. I'll drop the link in the description box of this video. Confirm the proof of reserve so that you can be the guarantee of your assets. That is, your assets is guaranteed. There is no loss of assets on the exchange. Trade futures, trade spots on Greater. If you don't have an account, check the registration link in the description box of this video. Sign up, complete your KYC 1 and 2, start trading, buy and sell, trade futures, and make money. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back update. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.